Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. Guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Teach Me Cloud. And today I'm just going to describe you about how you can set up your WordPress server with the help of AWS portal. So guys, as we know that we are working over our AWS Solution Architect Associate Certification Content Based video series. So this is our fifth class, and in this class we'll give you the proper step to set up your WordPress server over Amazon Web Services. So guys, let's start our practical. So before we start the practical, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, so you can subscribe my channel for more update related to the various technology. So guys, I have already opened my AWS portal. This is my AWS portal, and to set up a WordPress server, you need to just click on the EC2 panel, and in the EC2 you need to create a one WordPress template based virtual machine. So there are no any virtual machine running right now. I'm going to click on launch instance, and we need to select the marketplace because WordPress template available in marketplace. Type the WordPress. Okay, fine. There are various types of vendor are available over AWS marketplace. So I'm going to proceed with the this one is the free trial eligible. It's related to the Bitnami. So I'm just going to select the free trial Bitnami template, WordPress template. Click next. This is the information about the hardware configuration that you want to connect with your virtual machine. So guys, as we know that we are using a free trial account, so that's why I'm going to proceed with T2 Micro, because the T2 Micro configuration gave you a free access of 750 hours per month. So no need to make any changes related to the configuration. Next, we are planning to create a single virtual machine. Next, by default you will be get a 10 gig of hard drive because it will create a Linux machine in the backend. Port number 22 for SSH, port number 80 for HTTP, 4434 for SSL. HTTPS, just click review and launch. And as we know that we need to provide a one key name, so I'm going to proceed with the WordPress. The key name is WordPress. Download your key and click launch instance. Now our virtual machine is launching, so it will take up to maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Just click on the view instance. So guys, this is the panel. So in this panel I'm just going to type the name of our machine. It's a WordPress VM. Select. Our virtual machine is just initializing. So guys, this is our VM that we created, and in this particular machine a WordPress service automatically installed in the backend. So it will take up to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes to completely initialize the virtual machine. So once our virtual machine is ready to use, we will access it with the help of public IP address. So we just need to copy the public IP address and open any browser and paste here to check your WordPress is working or not. So because it's initializing, that's why we are unable to access the any kind of data by using public IP address. So we need to wait up to till our virtual machine is created successfully. Our virtual machine is ready to use, our WordPress server is ready to use. So what you need to do, just copy the public IP address, open any browser like this and paste here. Now we are able to get the information about the backend of our virtual machines. This is the panel of WordPress. So we need to just design our own website. So question is that how we can find the username, how we can find the password as well. So guys, you just need to use slash and type wp minus admin. Press enter again. Now we have option to use your username and password. So guys, whenever you create your AWS WordPress server, the by default username is user, and you need to find the password. So to find the password, you need to open your AWS portal, select your virtual machine and right click. Go to the instance setting, and in the instance setting we have a one option. uh, it's a get system log. So we need to click on the get system log. It gives you the information in green screen, and we need to find the password. So you just need to drag it, sorry, drop it, and copy the password from hash box. This is the hash box, and setting Bitnami application password to this. Just copy it. This is the default password that provided by the AWS, and paste here and click login. By default, username is user, and password you need to find with the help of a virtual machines template, virtual machines logs detail. So guys, this is the dashboard, and by using this particular dashboard, you can design your own website. So I'm just going to design some template related to the website. So just click on that post, and it give you option to click on new post, because we are planning to understand how we can set the image, how we can upload our video clips, and how we can adding our title as well. So I'm just going to use a title AWS online class. Okay, write something like as a become cloud expert. Correct. If you want to add some images, so you need to click on plus icon. It gives you option to upload your image. It gives you option to upload any kind of audio and video. So we are planning to upload the image. So that's why I'm going to click on image, click upload. Once you click on the upload, it gives you access of your own system. So I'm planning to upload two different image or one different image from your desktop. Correct. One is added. Now I'm going to add one more. Okay, so second image, I'm going to select the second image and click open. Successfully uploaded two different image, make it publish. Now we successfully publishes, and again go to the your virtual machine and copy the public IP address and paste on any browser like this. So guys, we are able to access our website. This is the way to access your website. So as per the admin, as per the architect, our responsibility to design our WordPress server with the help of AWS portal, and just copy the public IP address and provide the username and password to your developer. Developer can design each and everything. Our responsibility to manage our virtual machines property. Like this is our VM that contain the WordPress services. So our responsibility to manage this particular virtual machine, like as adding our custom domain, configuring load balancer, and also we need to create a alarm and monitoring panel as well. So guys, this is the basic information about the WordPress, means how you can set up your WordPress server. And in this in the next chapter we will discuss about how we can troubleshoot if you are facing any problem with your AWS WordPress services. So we'll discuss more about what in next class. So guys, I hope you all of you understand about the concept to host your WordPress website with the help of AWS. So we'll meet soon with another video with troubleshooting. So take care and bye bye.